Vasquez, and I am going to show you how to crochet a granny square like this, but it's going to be a different kind of granny square. So let's begin. The materials you are going to need is, of course, yarn. I prefer a letter H, which is 5mm hook, um, and the scissors to cut off the yarn, and well, I use the ruler to measure it. You don't need to use a ruler, but yeah. So here we go. The materials that you would need to make this granny square pillow would be I used a H number needle, which is a 5mm needle. You guys could use any number you would like, but I prefer H, which is a 5mm. You would also need some yarn, which I preferred pink colored yarn. You could use any kind of yarn, but I preferred pink. And so here, oh, and I forgot, you would need a marker just in case, and a measuring tape so you can measure the length that you want for your pillow. It doesn't have to be exact small like mine. You can have any type of size that you want. And by marker I mean one of these. So you could mark the stitch in case so you doesn't make a mistake or misplace your marker of your stitches. So without further ado, let's start the pattern. In this first step, we are going to do a magic ring. For those of you who do not know how to do a magic ring, I will show you. Here we go. You take the yarn, right? You take the two fingers of your fingers. You take the yarn like this. I prefer this length of yarn left. You wrap it once, then you wrap it twice. You have to make an X, okay? Like so. Like so. You hold the yarn, you take the needle. This part right here of the needle needs to be faced you. You go in the yarn, the top yarn, take it and cross. There we go. Now with this part of the yarn right here, you're gonna take it and bring it through like so, like that. Then you could chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Because we are going to do double crochet in the side of the circle, okay, inside the ring. So like so. Chain 3. Why? Because it's the same size as a double crochet. Now we need to make 16 in there. Now when we put 16, what we're gonna do, now that we got these two, we're gonna chain 2. 1, 2, like so. Then we go into the ring, chain 2, and the other, grab 2 and then the other 2, right? We're gonna do it again. Go under, grab the loop, take 2, take the other 2, like so. Now then we're gonna chain 2 again, 1, 2, till we get to 16. 1, 2. Right now we have 6. 2, 4, 6. We need 16. Be back once you get to 16. Now once we get the 16 that we need, 16 double crochet that we need, we are going to close this loop. Okay, and how we do that, we pull this side of the yarn to close the loop, as in saying close the space, like so, like so. Then now, third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, the top chain, 1, right here, and we got it. We take the yarn, we go right through, we don't chain, we just finish off like that, like so. Now next we're going to chain 3 and double crochet into the same one, and then we're going to chain 2, and then we go into this one until to the same one. We do 2 double crochets in the same one, then we chain 2 and go to the next, and then continue till you finish the row. So same, 2 in the same hook, then 2 double crochet, then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in the same one. Show you at the end of the video. Like so. Now still in step 2. Now we are going to chain 2 and into the same one, double crochet, like so, like so. Like so. Okay, continue, double crochet, and then the same one, double crochet, then and then this one, then you chain 2, then in this one, double crochet, chain 2, and then the same stitch right here, you chain 2, and then so on and so forth. So let's continue. Chain 2, 1, 2, and into the next stitch, 1, 2. Alright, chain 2, 1, 2, and into the next stitch right here, we're going to make a corner. So by that meaning 2 double crochets, chain 2, 1, 2, and then another 2 double crochet. That is what I mean by corner. Like so. Okay? Now, don't worry about shape, because later on it will start getting its square shape. Later on it's gonna start looking like this, like so. Okay? Now we're gonna continue, 1, 2, and into this one, another double crochet. In case you guys don't know yet how to do a double crochet, I'll show you how to do a double crochet. First you gotta chain 2, go into this space, right? You still got the hook, the yarn into your hook. You grab the yarn, you go under, grab the yarn again. Then you take two, you still got two left on your hook, and then you take the last two. Okay, now then you go again, boom. Now chain one, two, there's gonna be a corner, and then this is a corner. There we go. Now next, chain two, one, two, and then the last one, one, two. Then chain two, one, two. Then on the top of your third chain, one, two, three, you're gonna insert your hook like so, and then take the hook and bring it through like so. See? Then you're gonna go again, finish, there we go, and go again, finish, don't, there we go. Now when you go into here, how you get into here, right here, is you chain three. One, two, three, like so. Now then you go into the hole again, the space, one, then chain two, one, two. Then you go into the space again, like so. Then you do this, double crochet like so, like so. Chain two, one, two. You go into this space, right? You go again to the same space, like so. Chain two, one, two. You go to the next space, like so. Gonna continue doing this for about one more row, because this is just repetitive. Very simple to make, very simple to learn, and you could learn very fast from doing this. Took me about a day to learn, but let me continue. Okay, so you continue to chain, double crochet, my bad, sorry, double crochet, here we go, chain two, one, two, double crochet, chain two, one, two, double crochet to the next space. Sorry if I'm going a little bit too fast, but if you would like to slow it down, you could pause any moment. Chain two. Now we at the corner. Okay, we're gonna go into the space, a double crochet, another double crochet, chain two, one, two, and into that same exact space, two double crochets, one, two, like so. Then chain two, double crochet, double crochet, chain two, one, two. Then you go to the next space, double crochet, double crochet, chain two, like so, one, two, and into this space, so right here, you're gonna do another double crochet, chain two, and double crochet in that same exact stitch, and you will again double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, like so, into the corner, take 2, again, double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. That's our corner. Okay. Now, then chain 2, 2, go again, 2, like so, chain 2, 1, 2, like so, and now that we are to the end, we chain 2, 2, and then to the top of a third chain, 1, 2, on the third is right here. So you will repeat this until you get 10 rows. Once you get to 10 rows, you go into the stitch and then into the stitch. Always slip stitch till you get to the center. Once you get to the center, which is right in here, once you get to the top right here into the center, that's when you chain 3. It should look like this. Okay. Now, you should continue to 10 more rows. And once you get to 10 more rows, I will see you there. Now that you are on your 10th row, I would like you to snip off. So let's get our scissors, okay? And then you're gonna have to snip, okay? Okay. Now that you snipped off, you could then finish, okay? And since we need 2 of these to make a pillow, so we need to make another one, okay? So like, subscribe, comment and subscribe, and more videos out soon. Bye.